In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Flodesk. If you're ready to set up your own forms quickly and efficiently, you've come to the right place. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that by the end you'll be ready to capture information with beautifully designed forms. Let's start by heading over to Flodesk. To do this, open your internet browser and type in www.flodesk.com. Then log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first before proceeding. Once you're logged in and on the homepage, it's time to navigate to the Forms section. This is the area where you can manage all your forms, whether they're brand new or existing ones that need a bit of tweaking. Once you're in the Forms section, look for the option that says Plus New Form. Clicking on this will initiate the process of creating a brand new form. You'll be presented with a choice of form types. These could be pop-ups or inline forms, among others. Choose the one that best suits the appearance and functionality you desire for your website or email list. After selecting your preferred form type, it's time to dig into customization. This part allows you to tailor the form to fit your needs perfectly. You can add various fields such as name or email to capture the specific information you require. It's also a great opportunity to change the text, ensuring it reflects your brand's tone and message. Don't forget to adjust the design to match your website's aesthetics. This means playing with colors, fonts, and layout until you've got a design that feels right. Now that your form is all set up, you need to save and publish it. This step is crucial as it locks in all the hard work you've put into getting your form just right. Once published, you'll need to embed the form on your website. Flodesk provides an embed code, making it easy to integrate the form into your site. Alternatively, you can simply share the generated link if your form is meant to be accessed directly or shared across various platforms. Finally, and importantly, don't skip testing your form. This final step ensures everything is functioning as expected. Try submitting a test entry yourself to verify that all fields are capturing the information correctly and that any notifications or confirmations are sent out as configured. If all goes well, your form is ready for the world, and that's it. You've successfully created a form in Flodesk. With these steps, you can now engage with your audience through efficiently designed forms that not only look good but perform seamlessly. Happy form building!